Valentine's Day is just around the corner. Get ready to discover 16 adorable and practical Valentine's Day kitchen gifts that'll add a sprinkle of love to every corner. Let's dive in. Starting off, we have the Patelai Valentine's Day Gifts Heart-Shaped Cutting Board. This adorable board is perfect for prepping, serving, or just adding a touch of love to the kitchen. Crafted from natural acacia wood, it's designed with a healthy lifestyle in mind, ensuring you enjoy your meals guilt-free. The edges are finely polished, smooth, and safe to use, while the romantic, irregular wood grain gives each board its unique charm. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Next, we have the beautiful glass coffee enamels mug, featuring stunning 3D butterfly and red rose designs. Handmade from glittering, lead-free glass, this mug is both elegant and safe for everyday use. It even comes with a matching enamel spoon, making it a complete set. Up next is the Dash Mini Heart Waffle Maker, because breakfast is better when it's full of love. This multi-waffle maker lets you whip up 6 adorable heart-shaped waffles at once, perfect for family breakfast or party treats. With its non-stick surface and easy-to-use design, making and cleaning up is a breeze. Plus, the built-in indicator light ensures perfect waffles every time. Freeze extras for busy mornings or late-night cravings. Compact and cute, it's a sweet way to show your love, literally. Make your celebrations extra special with the Patelai Heart Cheese Board Party Gift Set. Each set includes a bamboo heart-shaped cutting board, butter knife, and fork. Perfect for bridal showers, weddings, or parties, these charming and practical gifts will leave your guests impressed. Add elegance to your table with this blush pink Valentine's Day table runner. Made from soft, durable cheesecloth with stitched edges, it's perfect for events like weddings, baby showers, or romantic dinners. It fits most tables beautifully. Celebrate love with the Love Charcuterie Board Set. Crafted from durable bamboo, these 4 serving trays and 2 dipping saucers feature a unique love design, perfect for showcasing desserts and snacks at parties. Generously sized and eco-friendly, they're ideal for Valentine's Day, weddings, or any gathering filled with love. A thoughtful gift and stunning decor piece, this set combines style and practicality for unforgettable celebrations. Cook, bake, and serve in style with this pink heart-shaped enamel cast iron Dutch oven. With a 2-quart capacity, a gold heart knob, and durable cast iron for perfect heat distribution, it's as functional as it is gorgeous. The smooth enamel interior makes cleanup a breeze, and it's oven-safe up to 500 Fahrenheit. Looking for a fun, unique Valentine's gift? The Gas One 14-inch portable barbecue grill is perfect for cooking up some love. Compact, portable, and ready for cozy backyard BBQs or camping trips, it features a 3-point locking lid that traps heat for even cooking. With a dual venting system to keep things just right, and an ash catcher for easy cleanup, this grill makes every cookout a breeze. The KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is the perfect gift for the foodie or baker in your life. With a stylish blue velvet finish, this mixer offers 10 speeds, a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, and a tilt head design for easy ingredient additions. It's built to handle everything from dough to whipped cream. Plus, with over 20 colors to choose from, it's as beautiful as it is functional. Perfect for making memories together in the kitchen this Valentine's Day. The peach heart-shaped rice cooker is not only adorable but functional too. With its cute heart design, this 1.8 liters rice cooker can make everything from rice and porridge to soups, cakes, and yogurt. It features a non-stick pot for easy cleanup and smart cooking functions that make meals extra delicious. Perfect for cozy meals for 2 or small families. Next, we have the Turler Immersion Blender, a must-have for any kitchen. This powerful 1,100-watt blender is perfect for making everything from smooth soups to creamy baby food and delicious smoothies. With its variable speed trigger, you have full control over your recipes, whether you're pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping. Plus, its food-grade nylon blade guard ensures no splashes and prevents scratches on your pots and pans. It's compact, easy to clean, and comes with multiple attachments, making it super versatile. The ergonomic grip is comfortable for long blending sessions, and it's safe to use even with hot ingredients. This is the perfect gift for anyone who loves cooking, from moms to food lovers. Next, we have the Solo Stove Mesa, A smokeless tabletop fire pit that's perfect for cozy Valentine's Day evenings. Whether you're enjoying a night on the patio or camping under the stars, this portable fire pit offers warmth and ambiance without the smoke. Its sleek mulberry color and dual fuel design make it a thoughtful and unique gift for your loved one. Next, we have the Mini Dutch Pancake Maker, a fun and heart-shaped way to treat your loved one this Valentine's Day. This 950-watt machine creates 25 perfectly fluffy heart-shaped pancakes in minutes, making it a delightful addition to any breakfast or dessert. With precise temperature control, it's easy to use and perfect for any kitchen. Whether you're surprising your partner or hosting a special gathering, this pancake maker brings the love and sweetness to the table. Add a touch of love to your home this Valentine's Day with the Artoid Mode Pink Love Heart Kitchen Mats. These stylish mats are not only perfect for your kitchen but also great for any indoor space. Make this Valentine's Day extra sweet with the silicone heart-shaped cake pans. These 10-inch non-stick molds are perfect for baking love-filled cakes, cheesecakes, and more. Made from durable, BPA-free silicone, they're easy to clean and oven-safe. Create perfect heart-shaped treats for your loved ones. Add a touch of love to your kitchen this Valentine's Day with Artoid Mode Heart Love Kitchen Towels. Soft, absorbent, and stylish, these towels make the perfect gift or home decor to brighten your space. And that's a wrap. For more Valentine's Day gift ideas, check this video out.